Hi there, you're welcome to Chris Graphics Tutorials. What we're going to do today is quite simple. This is the book cover we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to do this mockup. Subscribe to the channel if you've not. You're welcome back. So we're going to go straight to the site photopea.com. I believe we've used this before, so look at the URL there, photopea.com. That's the site we're going to use for this mockup. It's loading. All right, that's loaded, showing. Okay. All right, so once this opens up, so the first thing you need to do is we are going to use a mockup file, PSD file for this. Don't forget, I'm going to show you. Okay, so once it opens, click on file, click on open, then locate. Don't select the designs. It's not the designs you are going to select. All right, don't select the designs. We are going to use PSD file, that's Photoshop document, for this mockup. So I've created a video on how I created this book cover already, front and back. I will link them to this video as well. So now I'm going to locate the PSD file. Do you understand? So I'm just checking out my mockups to see. Let me see if I will have a good book cover mockup here that I can use. I'm not sure. Okay, these are book covers though. Nope, I don't want to use this. All right, we're going to use this particular one. So I'm opening the PSD file. Okay, open the PSD file. So once the PSD file is open, we are going to now see how we can edit it. So it's loading. Just make sure you have a good phone, or you can even use your PC if you have, or you can follow the procedure and use Photoshop if you have. So this is the same thing. This is just like Photoshop, online Photoshop actually. So after it has opened, this was the one I did for someone. This is not my design though, someone's design, but I did a mockup for her. So click on the layer icon there. You can see where I clicked. Then the box, just double tap on the box. It's going to open up like this. So now it has opened the first cover. So just click the eye, just click that eye. And that eye is going to hide the previous design. Okay, so click on file, click on open and place above. Open and place. Now not just open and place. This is now when you're going to pick the design itself. Do you understand? So open the design and bam, it has opened. So just check it, click the check, and then click the before you close it, click file, click save smart object. Don't forget, save smart objects. So smart object updated, that means it has updated with this one. Just close this, and then you are going to see that it will reflect on it. Can you see? So we are going to repeat the same procedure for the second one. Click on the layer icon. Then now on the second back, that's the back cover, click the box. So now stretch it a little bit to fit in. And then I'll click the check, then click the layer. I'm just going to turn off that barcode because I have imputed barcode already on this design. So I'll just off it, and that's going to be all. So I'll save the smart object like I did for the other one, and boom, we have it. Okay, it says updated, close it, and it's going to update right there. Do you understand? So this is it. So the background is white, it's transparent, and that's how I want it. So click on file. This is how you export. We're going to choose PNG. to maintain the transparent background so I can place it on anything I want. So I'll leave the quality as 100 and change the name to marital bliss book or something. Okay, so here we have it. Just click on save and it's going to download straight. Can you see it? So that's downloaded, and you can check your gallery and you're going to see. So this is actually what we have there. Look at how sharp it is. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.